It's no secret the COVID-19 pandemic has drastically impacted our lives, and healthcare workers have been on the front lines fighting this battle. Students have had to adapt to a new way of learning behind a screen, filled with confusion, frustration, sadness, and isolation. And while teachers and professors may try and try and try again, they're only human. Our local small businesses have been hit hard too, forced to lay off employees and struggling to put food on their table. Many of us have had loved ones contract the virus and be forced into isolation as they battle for their life, and far too many have devastatingly lost that fight. And while the coronavirus has put the entire world on pause, let's not forget that we are in this fight together, and together is the only way we will overcome. With the approval and the distribution of the new vaccines, it finally seems like there's a light at the end of the tunnel. Hi, my name's Chris, and I'm so excited to get my COVID-19 vaccine, and here's why you should be too. Vaccines have been around for a long time and in many cases saved our lives, providing us with artificially acquired immunity. There are multiple coronaviruses which researchers have been studying for countless years. In fact, there are 4 human coronaviruses that occur seasonally and generally cause the common cold. This is why researchers had the leg up when it comes to developing the COVID-19 vaccine. In fact, the first batch was developed February 7th of 2020, and the first clinical trial took place March 6th of 2020, therefore giving us a vaccine within 12 to 18 months. In the Johnson & Johnson vaccine, researchers added the gene for the coronavirus spike protein, that little spiky thing you see on the outside. Yeah, they took the gene for that and put it into a harmless virus called adenovirus 26, which can enter our cells, but it won't make us sick, nor will it replicate. Adenovirus-based vaccines have actually been researched and used before, like in the Ebola vaccine also made by Johnson & Johnson. Adenoviruses also contain a tough protein coat, which helps us protect the genetic material inside and allows us to store it in refrigerators for up to 3 months. Meanwhile, Pfizer and Moderna are a bit similar as they are both nucleic acid vaccines. Researchers were able to actually isolate the gene for the COVID antigen and deliver it to our bodies via a lipid nanoparticle vehicle. Once in our bodies, the mRNA then produces the antigen spike protein. It is also important to note the multiple tests, trials, and extreme scrutiny each of these vaccines had to undergo from experts, professionals, and researchers in order to be approved for public distribution. Just be glad it doesn't look like that. All jokes aside, I can't wait to get my vaccine because, like every other vaccine, the known and potential benefits outweigh the known and potential risks. I better get going. I hear the doctor on her way, but I hope this has put your mind at ease and convinced you to take the vaccine, as we are all in this together and we can't do it without you. Till next time.